Unexpected design changes shouldn't force you to painstakingly recreate your documentation again. The less time you have to spend on documentation, the more time you can dedicate to solving design challenges. With Draftsman and Altium Designer, you no longer have to waste your time when modifying and creating your fabrication and assembly drawings. Based on your associated source PCB design data, you can easily place design views, layer stacks, drill tables, drill drawings, notes, and callouts to create manufacturing drawings. With the Altium Designer unified design environment, design changes reflect in your documentation with the push of a button, so you're always up to date and ready to go. Draftsman allows you to precisely document your design without needing to export to another tool. Once you have your documentation process established, you can create templates so you and your team can quickly expedite your future documentation workflow. Draftsman makes it so fast and easy to create accurate documentation that you can spend less time documenting and more time designing.